This is how to install the Caterpillar D series or next gen series high flow jumper. We have two types of connectors that we use. This is the Amphenol with the Skid Steer Genius back shell, and this is the Deutsch. You'll see the Deutsch pop up from time to time depending on availability of the Amphenols. But this is what the Deutsch looks like, and this is the Amphenol. And I'm going to do both of them for you so you can see exactly how it works. Let's start with the Amphenol. What we want to do is remove the back shell strain relief. This is the nut that screws down on a wire seal. This is the housing for the nut. Pull that back. You'll see the jumper already, but that's not all. We can get actually inside this connector, and it makes it so much easier. So here it is right here. And we're going to install this jumper into N if it's an XE or an XHP, and that's N as in Nancy. If it's a XPS, we're going to put this into K. So in this situation, we're going to put this into K, and all we do is push it through here like so till it clicks. You'll see it pop out on the other side, and it's ready to go. Now if I make a mistake and put it in the wrong hole, I can use my handy tool here, and I just push it down inside till it clicks, and then I can pull the wire out and start all over again and put it in the right hole. Putting the connector back together, I'm not going to leave the jumper in, so I'm just going to put the connector back together here. All I do is screw the back shell on. Just want to get it snug. I screw in the back nut here. And then I screw on the strain relief nut, and that's what locks the seal down and holds the whole thing together so it doesn't get pulled apart when you drive away with it connected to the attachment. That's it. The next one I'm going to do is the Deutsch. All I do, I've already loosened this off, so the whole idea is to get these so it's nice and loose on here, so I can screw this off. Okay, now this gives me back access to the back of the connector, and what I have to do is I have to fish out the black wire that's used here as the jumper. Now it's a little bit more difficult to see, so I'm just gonna kind of explain it to you here. You're gonna look down inside here, and you're gonna look for the K position or the N position, and you're just gonna take that wire, you're gonna push it down inside. Sometimes you're gonna see a white seal, and you'll see kind of the back of this. You wanna make sure you pop these out, and that goes the same for the Amphenol. Make sure you pop these out, because these are just seals. So you pop that out first, you slide the wire down into this position, and then you just put the connector back together. Okay, and that's it.